10 cyberattacks in 3 minutes? Sounds like a challenge. Let's break down 10 of the most common ways hackers attack you. Fast, simple, and maybe slightly terrifying. Phishing is when attackers pretend to be someone you trust, like your bank or Netflix, to trick you into clicking a link or giving up info. It's basically catfishing for your passwords. You think you're logging in, but you're handing your details to a scammer. Malware stands for malicious software. It includes viruses, trojans, worms, all designed to steal, spy, or destroy. If you've ever downloaded free Photoshop 2024.exe, congrats! You may already be infected. This one locks your files and demands payment to unlock them. It's like your laptop gets kidnapped and the ransom note wants Bitcoin. A DDoS attack floods a website or service with fake traffic until it crashes. Imagine 10,000 bots all ringing your doorbell at once. You can't ignore it, and real visitors can't get through. This is when a hacker secretly intercepts data between two people or systems, often on public Wi-Fi. So, while you think you're sending your password to your bank, it's being intercepted by someone in the middle. SQL injection targets websites that don't properly secure their input fields. Hackers insert malicious code into forms like login boxes to access or modify a database. It's like sending a pizza order and hijacking the delivery system. A zero-day is a software flaw that developers don't know about yet, but hackers do. They exploit it before a fix exists. It's like breaking into a house before the locks were even installed. If your password leaks in a data breach, hackers will try it on other websites you use. It's called credential stuffing, and it works if you reuse the same password everywhere, which you do, don't you? This is the human side of hacking. It's about tricking people, not systems. From fake tech support calls to sweet-talking your office receptionist, it's low-tech, but super effective. This one's sneaky. Just visiting a shady website can install malware on your device. No clicks, no downloads. It's like getting mugged just for walking past the wrong alley. There you go, 10 cyber attacks explained in 3 minutes. It's a digital battlefield out there, but now you've got some armor. Hit that subscribe button if you want more cybersecurity content, straight to the point, just like this video.